Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Maths class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home. Are you writing classwork, Nana? Neatly? Okay, ma. So, in previous class we started the addition and subtraction of the large numbers revision, isn't it? So, we completed that A Roman, Nana. In this chapter revision we completed A Roman, and now all of you open your Maths textbook, page number 41. Open it, Nana. See children, A, B, C we will do in textbook only, Nana, and D Roman is a word problem that we will do in classwork. Okay, ma? Are you ready with your Maths classwork and textbook, children? Yes. Okay. See the B Roman, fill in the blanks. Already we completed the first, A Roman, Nana. Choose the correct option in the previous class. Now today I am going to continue the B Roman. Fill in the blanks. Open your Maths textbook and write neatly, Nana. Fill in the blanks. First one, 2594 plus 3108 equal to 3108 plus dash. See, Nana, if you add the two numbers in any order, we get the same answer, isn't it? So, see here, these are the addends. Here, 2594 plus 3108. If you change the order, this will comes first, and the remaining number is 2594. So, you write 2594. So, the order of the addends, see, if you change the order of the addends also, we get the same answer. Okay, ma? And next, second one. 12,398 plus 3,000. So, you do this in your mind only, Nana. Just look at this number. It is 12,398 plus 3,000. Here we are adding only thousands. So, 3,000 to 12,000. How many thousands came? 12,000 plus 3,000 equal to 15,000. And the remaining hundreds, tens, ones, asterisks will write. So, 12 plus 3, 15,398. Okay, children, how to add the thousands to the given number? Yes, 12,000 plus 3,000 is 15,398. 15,398. And next one, 57,809 plus 0. 0 means nothing, Nana. If you add 0 to any number, we get the same number, isn't it? So, 57,809 plus 0 equal to same number, 57,809. 57,809. And next, fourth one. 5 plus 3 plus 1 lakh. So, this type of additions also we will do in our mind only, Nana. Very, very easy. Here they are given one digit numbers. 5 plus 3. How much? What is the sum of 5 and 3? Yes, very good. It is equal to 8. So, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and 1 lakh. So, 1 lakh plus 8 is equal to 1 lakh 8. So, I will write 1 lakh 8 in the ones place. 1 lakh 8. Okay, so add these two numbers and keep in the ones place. 5 plus 3, 8. So, we will write 8 in the ones place, remaining digits asterisk. So, it is 1 lakh 8. 1 lakh 8. Sorry. Next one. Fifth problem, Nana. 3,50,000. So, they are not given commas, Nana. Just we only keep the commas for better understanding. 4,921. What is the difference between the 3,50,000 and 4,921? We will do the subtraction side, Nana. 4,921. So, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So, from this number we will take borrow. This number become 10, 9, 9, 9, 5 become 4. So, what 10 minus 1 is 9, 2 2 9 7, 9 minus 9 0, 4 2 9 5 and 4. So it is 3,45,079. Okay ma? So I will write 3,45,079. Okay? So if they are given the subtractions like this, we will do the subtraction side and write the answer in the blank. Okay ma? Is it clear to you how to do the subtraction if the zeros are there? Yes. 0 is the smallest number, so we can't subtract it directly, so that you take borrow from the beside number. But here also not their number, so that you go to the 10,000s place and take borrow. So 10, 9, 9, 9, 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So close fingers 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 7. Okay ma? Now number minus same number equal to 0. And 4 to 9. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 5. And here 4. So 3,45,079. Note down in your textbook children this is. Note down this. Okay ma? And now C Roman. Now we are doing this chapter revision Nana. So you have to complete ABC Romans in textbook and D Roman will do in classwork. Okay, write T for true and F for false. First one, the result of subtracting two addends is the sum. See here Nana, the result of subtraction, but here they are given two addends is the sum. Result of subtracting, is this subtracting? The subtracting, shall we get the sum? No. So the result of addition we call this sum. The result of addition is called sum. But here they are given the result of subtracting two addends is the sum. So this statement is wrong. So we will do F. We will write F Nana. And next one. Subtrahend is the number. Subtrahend is the number which is to be subtracted. Subtrahend is the number which is to be subtracted. Yes, the number which is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. Yes, this statement is correct. So, I will keep T, true. Okay, T for true. Third one, to find the sum of two numbers, we should subtract. To find the sum of two numbers, we should subtract. Is this correct statement children? Yes, wrong. F. So what is the correct one? To find the sum of two numbers, we should add. Sum means we should do addition, not for subtraction. Okay. So this statement is wrong. To find the sum of two numbers, we should subtract. This statement is wrong. So we will write F. What is the correct statement? To find the sum of two numbers, we should add. Okay ma? Next one. Can I rub this one children? Fourth question. To find the total of two numbers, we should add. Yes, total of two numbers means we should add. Yes, this statement is correct. So, we will write T. Next, fifth one. Minute is the number. Minute is the number from which the subtrahend. From which the subtrahend. Minute is the number from which the subtrahend is to be subtracted. Yes, minute is the number from which the subtrahend is to be subtracted. Okay, Nana? So, it is the correct statement. We will write T. Okay? So, now true or false is completed, Nana. Now, solve the following word problems. Come on, all of you, open your maths classwork, Nana. Maths classwork. Open your maths classwork and write chapter revision. Can I rub this one, children? Okay, you complete this in textbook, Nana, up to true or false. Come on, open your maths classwork and write chapter revision. Chapter revision. And D Roman, solve the following. Solve the following word problems. Solve the following word problems. Come on, all of you, write in your classwork neatly. Okay, children, are you ready, ma? Yes, note down the first one, Nana. First question, the sum of two numbers. The sum of, write neatly along with me. The sum of two numbers is 8,32,579. One number is 1,97,638. What is the other number? What is the other number? So, this is the first problem, Nana. Write in your classwork neatly. So, the sum of two numbers, what is given in the problem is the sum of two numbers. So, underline this one, the sum of two numbers, and one number is given. Now, we have to find the other number. Okay, ma? Underline these important points in the problem. Now, we frame the step. First one, the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers equal to 8,32,579. Okay. And second step is, I think cross came, Nana. Write neatly. The sum of two numbers equal to 8,32,579. Now, one number is given. One of the number equal to now the number 1,97,638. Now, we have to find the other number. So, the other number equal to, how do you get this answer, children? By adding or subtracting? Come on, tell me. Yes, very good. By subtracting these numbers. Okay. Come on, subtract these numbers, Nana. Start from the ones place. 8 after 9, 1. So 3 to 7, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. 6 to 5. Can you subtract from 6 to 5? Can you come? No. So that you take borrow. It's a small number. 15 and 2 before is 1. Now start the counting from 6 to 15. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's 9. So write 9 in the hundreds place. So again 7 is greater than 1. So that you take borrow. 11 and 3 before is 2. Now 7 to 11 will get 4. 9 is greater than 2. So again you take borrow. This becomes 12 and 8 before is 7. Now 9 to 12 count. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 3. And number minus 1 before number will write 6,34,941. 6,34,941. Okay, the other number is 6,34,941. Note down this in your classwork, children. Yes, can I rub this one? Write down the second problem. Write down second problem, Nana. Ram needs, write neatly along with me. Ram needs 9,99,500 rupees to buy a house. To buy a house. To buy a house. He has 5,42,800 rupees with him. With him. How much more money? How much more money does he need? Does he need? This is the second problem, children. So again I'll read the question. Ram needs 9,99,500 rupees to buy a house. So amount of money Ram needs to buy a house equal to 9,99,500 rupees. But the amount he has, how much money he has? Only 5,42,800 rupees. How much more money does he need? Yes, he wants some more money to buy that house. Why? Because that house is more cost than this amount, isn't it? But amount Ram has only 5,42,800. But how much amount he needs to buy that house? 9,99,500 rupees. So he wants some more money. So how much more money does he need? We only find out. So write the first step, children. Ram needs 9,99,500 rupees to buy a house. So we'll write as a step amount Ram needs. So write solution here side. The amount Ram needs to buy a house. The amount Ram needs to buy a house equal to 9,99,500. Can you see the board, Nana? Okay, I'll adjust this. Seema, I'll start from here. So the amount Ram needs to buy a house is equal to buy a house equal to 9,99,500 rupees. Okay, ma? Now, amount he has. How much amount he has? Yes, the amount he has is only 5,42,800. Now, more amount he needs. More amount he needs equal to, we do subtraction. Okay, ma? How much more? How much more is the keyword for subtraction? Come on, do the subtraction, Nana. 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 8, not possible. Take bar of 15. 9 before 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Okay? So 8 minus 2, count this. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. 4 to 9, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. 5 to 9, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. So 4,56,700 rupees he needs, Nana, to buy that house. Okay, how much amount he needs? 4,56,700 rupees he needs to buy that house. Okay, is it clear to you, children? Come on, note down in your classwork, Nana. Seema, next problem. So if you can't complete this problem in time, you just pause the video and write, Nana. Next you go to the next problem. Third one, write neatly, Nana. The principal of a school spent 5,60,400 rupees to buy tables and chairs. Tables and chairs. If the tables cost 2,80,200 rupees, how much did the chairs cost? How much did the chairs cost? This is the problem, Nana. So what is given? The principal of a school. So a school principal spent for the tables and chairs 5,60,400, Nana. But if the tables cost only 2,80,200, and how much did the chairs cost? So they are given the total cost of tables and chairs here, but they are given cost of tables. So now we have to find the chairs cost. So if you subtract this number from this, then we will get the chairs cost. Okay, ma? So what is given in the problem? The principal spent 5,60,000 to buy the tables and chairs. Now table's cost is given. Now we find that. Now we have to find chair's cost, Nana. Okay. Yes, underline that important points. Write the first one. Total amount spent for tables and chairs. Total amount spent on tables and chairs equal to 5,60,000. You can't see this. So total amount spent on tables and chairs equal to 5,60,400. Now cost of tables equal to 2,80,200. Now we have to find cost of chairs. Do the subtraction. 0, 0, 4 minus 2, 2, 0, 6 minus 8 not possible 16 and 5 before 4. So this is 8. So 8 to 16 will get 8 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2,80,200 rupees. So the cost of chairs is 2,80,200 rupees, Nana. Okay, ma? Total amount spent on tables and chairs equal to 5,60,000. But cost of tables is only 2,80,200. Now cost of chairs equal to 2,80,200 rupees. Okay, ma? Note down in your classwork. Next, see ma, next problem I will explain. You do as homework. Why? Because this problem is same as trees for the second problem. Fourth problem is the same model of the second problem. Romila wants to buy a piece of land for 8,49,700 rupees. She has only 6,84,300 rupees with her. How much more money does she need? Same model, Nana, second problem model. This problem is same model of the second problem, Nana. So first you write amount that the amount Romila wants to buy the land. Amount she has. Third step is more money she needs. That only. Okay, there we'll write Ram, but here Romila. Okay, numbers and names only change, remaining as trees, Nana. Okay, what is the step, Nana? First step, the amount Romila wants to buy the land. Okay, amount she has, second step. And third step is more money she needs. You do the subtraction. Okay, ma? So today the homework is the fourth problem. Page number 42, fourth problem is the homework. Can I rub this one, children? Yes, write down the fifth one, Nana. Fifth question. Write the fifth question. Out of 3,70,000 men in a village, 2,43,000 men work in the fields. How many men do not work in the fields? This is the problem. So what is the total number of men in the village? Yes, 3,70,000 men in the village. So total number of men in the village is 3,70,000. So out of these 2,43,000 men work in the fields. So number of men work in the fields equal to 2,43,000. Now we have to find number of men not work in the fields. Okay, not work in the fields means if you subtract this number from the total, then we will get the remaining number of men not work in the fields. Okay ma? Yes, first write total number of, so you should underline this one ma, total number of men in a village 3,70,000. So number of men work in fields, work in the fields. How many members work? 2,43,000. So number of men not work in the field. So do the subtraction, give minus symbol and do ma 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 3 not possible, take borrow 10, 7 before 6, 3 to 10, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 4 to 6, 4 after 5, 6, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So 1,27,000. 1,27,000 men are not work in the fields. Okay ma? So how many men are there in the village? Total number of men is equal to 3,70,000. So in that one, number of men work in the fields. How many members work in the field? Only 2,43,000. So number of men not work in the fields equals, if you subtract this number from the total, then we can get that answer. 1,27,000. See children, so we completed this chapter Nana. Chapter revision also completed. So up to now we completed 2 chapters. First chapter and second chapter Nana. Second chapter onwards I didn't send the classwork through WhatsApp, but you have to watch the video and you continue the classwork. I hope you all are doing same like that. And if you have any doubts, you make a call to me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. So, but in this today's class, I gave only 4th problem as a homework. So, write this 4th problem in the homework book. Okay, ma? So, my dear children, you have to practice these 2 chapters daily, at least half an hour, and learn tables, Nana. Okay. Okay, ma? So, tomorrow we will continue. We will start the next chapter. Bye, children. Take care of yourself.